Hi all, can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
Yes,
Hi,
yes.
how are
Hi,
you?
hi, hi. Yeah,
Yes,
welcome back, and thanks for joining for the session three. And hope everyone had a nice day at the work and your place. Yeah, just we'll go one by one, and then we'll just share a bit of your how was your day and everything. And you wanna go first?
As usual, normal day started in the morning,
Yeah.
little bit sunny, everything
Right.
normal. Yeah.
Warm air. Yeah, thanks, Gautam. Thanks for sharing that. And others, you wanna share yourself, please?
yeah, the day started with very nice morning
Yeah,
and everything goes well at the time.
no, that's good.
That's it.
Yeah, that's good. Harry, you wanna go off yourself, please?
Yeah, everything as usual, bit sunny and done with work pressures, everything.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. And just as you know, like we already done with the session one and two. So today the session three will be the assessment where I will be like guiding you through the how the assessment process will be there and everything. Yeah, I'll just share you the presentation on the screen. I think everyone can see my presentation now. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
you
So
can see.
yeah, this is the like session three for the research using the internet.
Yes.
And yeah, this like the introduction, like how the assessment will be. This will be for the first. The first will be the introduction for the assessments. What are the policy and procedures? Assessment one will be for 5 minutes in the breakout rooms. And sorry for the type assessment two will be in the assessment two will be not in the breakout room. It will be the normal one. I'll just change this one. Sorry, normal one. So like then it will be like a asynchronous activity. And then the last would be the feedback forms, and I will be giving you each and every person the feedback in the what do you call in the breakout rooms, and then we'll come back all together, and then we can have a bit of chat and what other improvements can be done and everything. Okay. Yep, done. And then the policy and like they like you can opt for the fairness, flexibility, and validity and reliability of the assessments whenever you want, and you have like all the rights for like if you seems like your assessment was not fairly corrected or anything, so you can come back to us and you can have all the opportunity where you can get your things to be done correct. Yeah.
Yep.
And then the assessment one is, and before we go into the assessment one, so what we're gonna do, I'll just stop sharing this one, and I'll allocate all the like breakout rooms for you so that we can have a like ID checks for each and everyone. Yeah.
Yep.
So I
Yeah, press.
think hang on, 022 room, and I think you should have now individual level. Like can you guys join the rooms, please?
Yep.
We'll just check on the. Hi Gautam, how are you?
Hi, Shiva. How are you? Good.
Good, good, good. Yeah, Gautam, just to give a heads up, like just can you hold your ID on the near to the camera,
Is
just
this my
holding your ID.
license?
Sorry?
My driving license is fine.
Yeah, driving license should be okay. Passport, any like proof of age card or anything which is like Australian
Yep.
normal ID. Yeah.
Yep. Is this good?
Yeah, that's good. And thanks very much for that. Yeah.
Yep.
And then I'll just check on other two guys, and then I'll pull up into
Yep.
the main session, and then we can get it from there. Okay.
Perfect.
Done.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, we have checked on Gautam, the one of the learner, and then we'll be going to the second one at the moment. We'll join Harry, and we'll just check. Hi, Harry. How are you?
Hi Shiva, I'm good. How are you?
Good, Harry. I'll just show you a trial like how to show your ID. Just cover up your ID and the numbers. Just show your photograph and the name which is visible on the camera, please.
Okay, like this?
Yep, that should be just yep. That's
Oh,
we can
sorry.
input. Yep, that's good. Perfect. Thanks very much for that. And you have been like Your ID has been checked, and then I'll just check on another person, and then I'll close off your rooms, and you can head back onto the main session, and then we'll get the assessment started. Okay?
Yeah, sure. I'll be waiting for that.
Thanks very much for that. Yep, Harry's ID also been checked, and then we have another last one, the Adarsh. We'll check him, and then we'll. Hi Adarsh, you there?
Yeah, hi Shiva, I'm there.
Hi Adarsh. Yeah, Adarsh, I'll just give you a trial like how to show you. I'll just cover up your numbers on the top and just show the ID on to the camera just to check that and to validate
Yeah,
that.
I will show that. I will show it.
Yep, that's good. Yeah, thanks very much for
Is
that.
that clear?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I got it, that one.
Yeah.
And thanks very much for sharing your ID on the online, and then you have been validated for the assessment. So what we'll do, I'll just close off all the rooms, and you guys can head back onto the main session, and we'll get the assessment one get going. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, all the three learners has been done the ID check, and then we'll pull up everyone onto the main session, close all rooms, and then we'll give an introduction on the assessment one, and then we'll get back from there. Harry.
Hi, Shiva.
Others, I think everyone with me now.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep, yeah, just we'll go with we'll start ahead with the assessment one. I'll just share the screen. I think you can see on the screen the assessment one is timeline, and it should be completed in 5 minutes, and it will be comprised of 10 of the multiple choice questions, and then this will be assigned to the in the breakout rooms, and then I'll share your link in your chat box. You can just open it straight away, and then you can just answer yourselves. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Any questions at this point?
No.
No.
No? All good, everyone? Yeah.
Yes.
I'll just create a breakout room, and then or else what I'll do, I'll just give you the links first, and then I'll assign the breakout rooms. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Yep.
it
Yeah,
will
it's
be.
okay.
Yeah, just to check that everyone has I'll just put the link on your individual box. Yeah. I think Gautam got the link. Harry. Gautam, did you receive the link?
Yes.
And Harry, did you receive the link
Yes.
for the assessment one? And others, can you check from your end, please, Matt, if you got it?
I think I did not got the link.
You want to open your chat box and have a look in that one, please?
Yeah, I've checked right now, but I did not got the link.
I'll send. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my mistake. I forgot to press the enter.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it?
Just give me a minute.
So now it's
Yeah, yeah, got it.
yeah, now it's around 10:22. So just we'll go it for till around 10:28. So you just give an extra minute, and then you can join in your rooms, and then I'll come up and I'll just have a look when what's happening. And if you got any questions, you can ask me, okay?
Yep.
No. Yep. Participants, everyone has in 1 to 3 rooms. The assessment one has been given to the learners via chat box. The links of the Google Forms have been given, and then they have got all the access where they can give the answers, and then it has been time 10:22 now, and then we'll give around 20:28, an extra minute. And the extra minute is to give to allocating the rooms and then get back to the rooms. So it takes a bit of time there. So what we're gonna do, we'll give another 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes to the guys, and then we can head back straight into their room and then see what's happening there. Yeah, we'll just check if everyone have. Hi, Gautam, you there? Yeah.
Hi, Shiva. Yep.
Yeah, we got them. I think, have you got the access for the link? Are you
Yes, I
comfortable
got it.
using it? Any
Yep.
issues?
Started. No, no, not
Okay.
yet.
Yep.
Yep.
Just spend another couple of minutes on that, and then I'll get back to you. If
Yeah.
you need anything,
Oh,
just comment me on the chat box or
yeah.
just
If I
for
got
the.
anything, I'll just ping you.
Yep. No worries. Thank you.
Yep.
I think the Gautam is all good with the Aib side. Then we'll check on Harry at the moment. How,
Oh, hi Shiva. Welcome back.
how are you feeling accessing the link? Have you got access to that one?
Yep, I'm filling it out now.
No worries. Yeah, just take your time. Any questions at this point, or
Right now, nothing. If it's there, I'll just reach out to you.
yeah, just reach out to me or just text me in the chat box or just give your reactions. What you got option in the Zoom, yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
then I'll pull up to you I'll pull you guys into the main room around like 10:28. Yeah. Yeah, I
Oh,
think
sure.
you should have enough fair bit of time for you. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, Harry and Gautam are sorted, and then we'll check on others at the point. Hi Adesh, how are you going
Hi,
there?
Shiva. Yeah, it's all fine. I
Yeah.
just completed the assessment.
Are you already completed? Is for any issues in like using the link or anything?
No, no, everything is okay.
Everything went well? Yep.
Yeah,
Are you comfortable in answering the questions and you are confident?
yeah, it's all right.
Done, no worries. Thanks very much for that. And just will sit around like another 2 minutes and then I'll pull up you guys into the main room, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think all the learners have been got enough time and then uh they have been like good and then yeah, just getting there. We'll leave another 2 minutes for them and then we'll get it from there and then we'll head back to the main session and then we got another minute or so to go. Yep. And then what we'll pull out everyone onto the main room and then just spend another minute or two to ask for like how did they feel any difficulty in accessing the assessment links and is there any improvements to be made. And after that we'll start with assessment two and then spend another 15 minutes on that. And then we'll go for the feedback and then that will be the session. Yeah, it's been a minute, so we'll close up the rooms. So it gives them enough time to get back into the main session. Another 40 seconds.
Oh, hi Shiva.
Hi, Harry. I
Yeah.
just will wait for
Um,
the guys to join us. Yeah.
you have done. Can you? Is it submitted from your? Can you see my
Yeah, I can
submission?
see that. I can see that, and then yeah, that's good. Thanks for submitting. Yep, I can
Yep.
see. I think everyone can hear me now.
Yes.
Yes.
I think
Yeah,
yeah. Yeah, I can see all of the three people have been submitted, and thanks very much for participation. And yeah, for this, like at this point, we have been submitted task assessment one successfully. And then yeah, just to give a like we'll spend another minute on see like is was there any issues in accessing the link? Any of you can point
no,
out and like is there any like anywhere there we can have some bit of improvement so that you can share your feedback here. Okay,
everything is okay. Everything is,
everything went well.
Yep.
yeah,
Yes. Everything was good to go.
Done. Thanks very much. And then I'll share you the screen again for the assessment too, how it's gonna be and what would be the process. Okay.
Yep.
Yep, the assessment two. Yep, it's also a timeline activity which is gonna go for 10 minutes. And it will
Mm-hmm.
be like the assessment two will be having a three research topics, and it's a bit of a scenario based where you need to spend 10 minutes answering, and then you need to do a bit of researching to answer the questions, and with the researching activity which you have been done in the session too. I think it should be pretty straightforward. Any issues you can, come back to me straight, and everyone will be in the same screen. So make sure you're
Yep.
not supposed to discuss the answers with anyone. And I'll
Yep.
just share you the individual links, like like same like before, I'll share you in the chat box. So open up the links, just spend 10 to like it's like 8 to 10 minutes should be enough for you guys. And if you need an extra time or anything, it should be a reasonable adjustment for you guys to get it. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Done. Just give me a second. I'll just share you the links. I think I'll just put first Gautam. One. Gautam, can you check have you got the access to
Yep.
the
Yes, I just received.
got it? That's good. Yeah, you can start working on that.
Yep. I can be on mute, right?
Yeah, you can be on the mid, not a problem. Yeah, you should be okay.
Yep.
And Harry, can you check if you got the link, please?
Yeah, I got.
Yep, that's good. Yeah, just open that one and just working on that one, please.
Yep, sure.
And then Adarsh, I'm sending you one now, yeah?
I'll be going on mute.
Yeah, it should be okay. Just but now it's like on 10:32. We'll spend around till 10:40, 10:42, 10 minutes, yeah? And then I'll get it from there, yeah? Yeah, Adarsh, can you check have you got the link, please?
Yeah, I got the link.
Yep, just open up that one and just work it on that one. And
Yeah,
any
okay.
issues, like I'll be here on the line with you, and then you guys can ask me the questions or anything, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Mhm. Mhm. I think, would you mind, guys, turning on your cameras, please? Yeah, please just turn on it, please. Yeah, just for just 10 minutes, please. Yeah.
I guess when we are going to assessment, the
Yeah,
camera is
when we are
getting off.
going to assessment, maybe it's going to off.
Okay, then it should be okay. Just go do the assessment and then, yeah, just reach out if you
Yes.
need it.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Any issues, or if you guys got stuck anywhere, just reach me out, yeah? If you got stuck anywhere, any questions, you can ask me.
Yep. 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 We'll just come back if I got anything.
Thank you. Hope everyone going good. Yeah.
Yes, everything going good.
Okay. Everything okay?
Yep.
Yep, just few more questions left, maybe
No
just
problem.
couple of minutes. Yeah,
We'll spend another 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm. I can see that yeah, everyone is doing good. I can see straight away about you guys. Good. Yeah. Thanks very much for that.
yeah.
I have submitted.
Yep. I can see that Harry. Just give me a second. I'll just cross check my end. Yeah. Harry, you're done.
I've done 2 minutes ago. You can just check as well.
Harry received.
I
Gautam.
just completed right now.
I'm done. Yep, I think I got everyone's. Yep, that's good. Yep, thanks very much for that. I got all your assessments like received from your end, whatever the answers, what you have been put in. And
Yep.
just last for the assessment one will go on this one as well. Like, have you had any, have you had faced any issues like accessing the link or making like the putting in your answers? Yeah, any
No,
improvements to be
nothing like
made?
that.
Nothing.
Okay. What we'll do, I'll just assign the rooms now just to give an individual feedback. So I will give a feedback to you guys. You can give me a feedback where to be the improvements done. And
Yep.
then we'll come back everyone on the main room and then we can wrap up. Okay.
Perfect.
Sure.
I think yeah, you can get back to your rooms. Hi, Gautam. Can you hear me?
I sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
How
You
did
can
you
hear
go
me.
with the
Yep.
assessment one and two?
That's easy, pretty much like you explained. How with examples, whatever you thought that was easy, and I was little knowledge about the subject as well previously. It helped me as well, and pretty much easy, and I've done it quick way.
And just to provide a feedback, like overall the session was good, and I think you guys like you performed well, and I have received your answers, and you will be
Yeah.
having the assessment outcome in your email with the results and everything. And in the meantime,
Perfect.
if you have anything, you can just email me or you can text me back on the chat box. Anything, yeah.
Yeah.
Happy
Perfect.
that
Easy.
happy for that.
I'm very happy. The
Done.
way you explained with the examples, that makes little more easier to understand. So that makes my job easy.
Done. No worries. Thank you. I'll just get
Yep.
back to other two guys and then we'll come back to the main room. Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Done. Thank you.
Yep.
I have Harry. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Shiva. Sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah. No worries. Yeah. Like, how did you go with the assessment one and two?
Yeah, it went very well and smooth way. It was like bit interesting and good of to learn all the new things I have done.
That's good to know. And regarding your feedback, like you have did very well and performed well, and you were proactive, and you also asked the questions whenever required. and that's good. And then you will have the assessment feedback and the result in a day or two, and you will be
Okay.
having the results accessible in the email. And in the meantime, if you need anything, you can reach me out. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
Sure. Nothing. I just you already said about the results. I was asking about that only. When will I get my results, and it in future again the course will be continued, or do we will have any other
Yeah, you'll get
sessions?
everything. You'll get everything in the email, and then yeah, and yeah, you
Okay.
can give the feedbacks and everything, and then I'll just get back to others, and I'll pull off you in the main room. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Adarsh. How
Hi,
did you go?
Shiva.
Yeah, Adarsh. Yeah, just how did you go with the assessment 1 and 2?
Yeah, it's very nice. The way of you teach is very nice. I can understand everything.
Yep, that's good.
The assessments have been done very well.
Yep, no worries. Thanks very much for joining, and then thanks for the like you have done very well, and then you participated well in the assessments and the sessions as well, and you will have
Yeah,
a feedback and the like this is the feedback. Like if you got any questions, you can ask me anytime, and then like you will have the results in your email in a day or two. Okay,
yeah, okay.
happy? Any questions?
No, no, no. Everything
So
is
you
all right.
can we'll leave out the room and then we'll join in the main session. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
done. Everyone did well, and then we are heading everyone into the main session. Yep, everyone with me.
Yes.
Yes.
Harry. Yep, yep. Everyone can hear me now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I think yeah, the session went very well, and thanks everyone for joining. And just as discussed, like you'll have like your results in a day or two in your emails. Just go through it, and you've got all the rights and everything to like opt for the in the results whatever you want, and then I'll share you the like learn like the evaluation forms where you like just need to like just put in your details, and then like what are the you'll have like if, like agree doesn't agree like what you feel, and then just get the feedback forms to me so that I can submit it to my upper higher officials. Okay.
Yeah, okay. We will do that.
Any questions at this point or
Pretty much everything going good, smooth.
anything good? Everything
Yeah. No
Harry,
more questions.
other issue good, comfortable?
Yeah, all good.
Yep, no worries. And yep, and once again, thanks everyone for joining in the session. And then yeah, we'll see you in future again for another sessions. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Shaw.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Bye.
Shiva.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Thanks.